everyone, welcome back to Sunny Life channel. Thank you so much guys for tuning in. We are talking about Idols SA season 16. Limpopo musician Vhudi stole the hearts of many last night on Idol SA, including myself. Vhudi sang his song My Yoki Yoki and it had many gushing over his performance. The musician gave the judges the goosebumps guys, and he had them singing along with him. Soon after his appearance on the show, he trended on Twitter and other social media platforms with many praises his performance. Apparently guys, he released the song last year, but it didn't get much recognition and he decided to audition with it this year. You can search the song on YouTube and subscribe to his channel just to support the guy. It's still very early guys to predict season 16 Idols SA winner, but whatever happens to him, his future looks bright as the well-known musician promised to assist him. The like of the international superstar Davido, who requested Vhudi to DM him. I found myself guys singing the song and even asked the vendor people what does it mean. Leave your comment below and share your thought about his performance. Stay blessed and have a nice day. Bye.